Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beautiful Reason. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I've made many beautiful phone covers with the help of epoxy resin, and I will bring for you their videos. Today I am making a phone cover for one of my clients. I have mixed acrylic paint in epoxy resin. Beautiful color combination, light blue and pink and orange. I will decorate it with the help of white stones, a heart shape design. Very useful art, very interesting hobby. Wow, looking very beautiful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.